so we won. What do we want? We won. Can I can I do one thing? How can I clear? Can I clear clear? Autofill. Search engine. Google. Okay, whatever. I thought there was a way that you could just clear the search history. Although that might be, not that I'm looking for inappropriate things, but you know. Anyway, we'll try to do that later. So what are we doing? We are going back to the SymPy stuff, and we are going to replit, not the company, but the actual thing here. So login, and let me see, why is not remembering? Can I just, yeah, Google login. So there you go. And I was here, and I was basically systems raw map. There you go, the actual PDF. Okay, yeah. So last time I got stuck with this. I got stuck with the three-dimensional. What the fuck is this guy? I don't want to buy followers. You're getting a ban. How can I ban you from here? No. Can I ban this user? Can I ban the user? Block, report. I mean, I'll just block it. Cool. Can I just delete this stuff? The message. This Twitch, I'm using Twitch, the streaming app, whatever. I'm just losing time with this. So what are we doing? We are working. Let's go to Twitter. Share some. Why is it not? Come on. Let me see if I can log us in again. Accept cookies. No, I don't want to sign up. I have an account already. What are you doing? Tweeted.com. Already have an account. Sign in. Oh. No. Because I think I'm using sign in as this guy. So. Okay, that worked. But it should remember I like the black theme, and I know it doesn't remember. Anyway. Oh, cat pictures, man. Twitch.tv/uncertain systems. For some triple integral off. So that's what we got stuck, right? With the, because I looked at the solution of this problem, and I saw that there's a D3x here. It bothers me so much that you can't imagine how blocked I am at the moment. I just, like, the learning curve is just, it just went like these. Because This is probably, this is like a three-dimensional vector probably, right? And so r is just a radius, right? So this is really just x squared plus it's the distance. So it's probably just x squared y squared z squared all added up or something like this. And I need to make a derivative, a triple derivative with respect to that. And then I was stuck in here. I just don't know where to go. That's the problem. Is I'm just totally stuck. Totally. Like this is such an epic stack that you can't even imagine. This is one thing that I could try solving if that actually is the issue, right? But for this I need to do triple sort of triple integrals in SymPy. Yeah, learn to write, man. Because whether that would make any difference, right? Because we're integrating with respect to this whole thing. Integrate. So you have this triple integrate in yeah, so okay, so you actually can do things like these. Interesting. Interesting. Can we try it? So let's just comment on these and say we have can I do x, y, z? I think I can do x, y, z equals symbols, and then I just do x, y, z. I think I can do something like that. Can I? Print x, print y, print z. Can I do something like this? Python x2 score 1a. Yeah, okay, seems like it works. So I can do that, and then I can just do integrate these. Let's do the following. So let's try what is the so 3D distance is calculated, 3D distance calculation. So this is with squares, isn't it? Okay, so that's basic stuff, I guess, but it's yeah, okay, so the original point is 1, so this is like why it's minus 0, minus 0, minus 0, so it's square plus square plus square, and the square root of. I mean, another thing that I learned watching a video of a guy I really recommend, that's called Mr. P Solver or something like that in YouTube. I think that's how he's called. Yeah, this guy. So this guy does like really great SymPy videos, and in one he's just made a good comment saying that when you do exponentiation, which I don't think I'm doing anywhere here like these. I think here, instead of using a division, you should use a ratio. I think rational SymPy Gotchas and pitfalls, exactly. That is, I think, the symbolic expressions. So exactly these, because then it really takes that, like, that's an important thing that I didn't know that rational. So but whatever. So what we're doing is here. So square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. What does these why am I even doing that? Yeah, well, the why am I even doing that? Square of these. Why am I even doing that? Even if I just do 2 dimensions. So even if I just do x squared plus y squared. Oh, but I can't plot that now because that's 2-dimensional. It should be 3-dimensional now. Nice, Google, Mr. Google. Yeah, that's not. Oh, that's cool actually. I'm trying to. It's probably a super dumb question, but I'm trying to think about. Why am I doing that? I don't. So. Let's do these. What difference does it make, right? So we if we define these symbols and then we say, well, and then we say, can I just say r equals square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Can I just do that and then keep using r? What if I just print these, see what happens? Yeah, okay. The conjugate of these. And can I just let's see if that simplifies the thing. If I just say real, true, positive, true, okay? Just, I mean, they must be real, they don't have to be positive, okay? So let's just give it that at least, because I think at least that with the conjugation makes it easier. Okay, And now uh, let's try. Let's try what happens with these. Here's when it gets tricky, right? I want to do X, Y, and Z. And it's like, to be honest, not 0, but minus infinity to infinity, or let's try to I think that's gonna just blow up. Oh, okay. So what do we have here? Yeah, okay. So it just takes the ends outside. It doesn't do anything. Okay. It's a triple integration. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. And what? It doesn't solve it, right? With respect to R? No. Oh, sorry. That's just that's just a label. What will happen if I do that? It's not, that's just gonna be stupid, probably. If it solves it at all, no solution, awesome. I mean, what would e to the power of infinite is probably 0. God. Am I just being stupid? I'm probably being stupid and I'm not realizing. How the heck can this end up looking like this? How? How is that possible? I can't even approach this with SymPy, and I don't know. Doesn't solve the triple integral. This is because how to integrate. What? It's maple, that's because of issue. What was the test? SymPy doesn't know how to integrate these. Why? So what if we do that? What if we just integrate on X, for example, right? What if we just integrate on X? What happens? It doesn't integrate it. Can we just do like this? Or it's the wrong? Why doesn't this integrate it? Because it's the same thing or what? Shouldn't be. Why doesn't SymPy integrate these with respect to X? Come on. Huh? Why? What if we just say something stupid like these? Make it simpler. Okay, then it does integration. But if I just do then it still does integration. If I do square root of X, that should be the same. No, sorry. This. It still does integration. With this, doesn't do integration. I'm stuck, people. I'm so fucking stuck. Oh my god. I'm so damn stuck. It's incredible. I mean, they don't tell us. They don't tell us whether R is defined like that. But it's probably something you can assume. But it's just like, oh my god, man. I mean, like, really. I'm just giving up. Like, how can it just be anything like that? Jesus God. God. Depends only on the radius. It's just not ending, never ending. What else can we do? There's just no way that you do that. I don't know. I don't know. I'm lost. I'm like truly lost. How can I even approach these? Show that the probability answer this topic. Okay, that's another thing, and that's what we're working on. But I just thought because I saw this D3 here, I thought that would help with these, but it just does not. Okay, it did something. It just took a while, but it did something. God. Yeah, so I don't know. Yeah. I think I'll leave it here. I just have to get unstuck somehow. I don't know if that will make a difference, right? If integrating. This is truly painful. Truly painful. This is truly painful. And I just probably need to just sit through this because I'm just doing this kind of half an hour streams because I'm not finding the time these days for this, but I definitely have to get unstuck with that. Yeah. That just doesn't know how to integrate it. Doesn't know how to do it. Anyway, doesn't even know how to do it. I think the thing is, if it doesn't know how to do it, maybe I just should try this by hand, but I also don't know how is that going to help me get rid of these. Maybe I just have to make some kind of change of variable or something. I don't know. Do it with R, but then kind of say, well, that is the maybe that's how you get there. Maybe that's kind of like you you know, you kind of say, no, look, R is R. Like R is like symbol R, and we know it's real, and we know it's positive, and so we do that with respect to R. And what do we have? And we have these things here. Yeah, and if we solve, that breaks. Awesome. But if we take these things here, you know, I can differentiate with respect to R. Here is like we have a case where it does not depend on R. Here it does depend on R. Wait a second. Am I doing this well? R, yeah, real, positive, and we're saying this is these, and we conjugate, and then we do that, and we print these, and then we integrate. R goes from 0 to infinite. And so we have this integral in here, which we should try to solve. R is not available anymore. Why doesn't it know how to solve it? For arc A is smaller than pi divided by 2. Here's where actually pi appears in a way. Maybe I can just do it like this. I just have to why isn't it solving these? Integrate. E to the power of real true. What have I done? If I say this is, which I don't know, I can assume that, but if I do that, okay, looks better. Why doesn't he know how to integrate that though? This is a bit, seems a bit easy, seems a bit stupid, isn't it? That it doesn't know how to integrate that. I put like a big number, 100 times n squared. Why is it that I think it's giving me different results now that I'm used to in the past? Oh, nah, okay, whatever. No, but that solving for these doesn't help. But if I don't give it the bounds, then it does find these. And if I try to solve for one, why is it that I think it's just giving me different results. I'm getting this paranoia where I think it's giving me different results than it used to. I hope I haven't messed up anywhere. Okay, but I think I'll just leave it here. I just don't know. I gotta, well, I don't know. I just don't know. I'm stuck and I've been stuck for the past like 5 streams, I guess.